Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a project proposal in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Docs app, and here it opens up in the Drive Files menu. From here we just tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner, then tap on Choose Template. Then if you scroll down, under Work, we find Project Proposal. Here we have a few templates. We can select one that we like, and then we can just fill out the details that are specific to our project, like the project name, our company, the overview, specifications, and etc. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.